What if I told you that the fastest way into UK property isn't buying property at all? In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how complete beginners are earning £2,000 to £5,000 per deal by sourcing properties for investors without using any of their own money. This is the exact process, step by step, nothing held back. And when you're ready to take action, I've created a free downloadable deal sourcing action plan. It's yours. Link is in the description. Traditional property investing requires three things you might not have: a deposit, mortgage approval, and risk tolerance. Deal sourcing requires none of those. What it requires is your time, your effort, and a systematic approach. Think of yourself as a property talent scout. Football scouts don't play the game, they find the players. You're finding the properties. Investors pay you for your research, your relationships, and your ability to deliver deals they wouldn't have found themselves. And here's the beautiful part. Your first deal is often your hardest. After that, investors come to you because you've proven you can deliver. That's when it compounds. Before you start searching, you need to pick your playing field. This is a mistake beginners make. They try to source everywhere and end up knowing nowhere. Use these three criteria. Criteria 1. You can physically visit. You need to see properties in person. Choose somewhere within 90 minutes of where you live. Criteria 2. Strong rental demand. Look for cities with universities, hospitals, or major employers. These create tenant demand, which creates investor demand. Criteria 3. Entry-level pricing. Areas where terraces or flats sell between £80,000 and £180,000. These are accessible to your investor pool. Pick 2 postcodes. That's it. Become the absolute expert on those 2 areas. Know every street, every school, every transport link. Specialism builds credibility. This is your Monday to Friday system. Follow this and you'll find your first deal within 30 days. Monday, the search day. Spend 2 hours searching Rightmove and Zoopla. Filter for properties reduced in the last 30 days. Listings over 60 days old. Keywords: needs work, modernization, investment opportunity, cash buyers. Save 10 properties that fit the profile. Screenshot them. Tuesday. Initial analysis. Day. For each of your 10 properties, run a quick viability check. Check sold prices nearby on Rightmove. Check rental comps on OpenRent. Calculate rough yield. Annual rent divided by purchase price times 100, narrow down to 3 properties, worth deeper investigation. Wednesday, deep dive day. Pick your best property. Now go deep. Request the full property details from the agent. Use Google Street View to assess the area. Check local crime stats on police.uk. Look up the local authority for council tax bans. Check plan and applications nearby on the council website. Build a proper analysis. Thursday, Investor Outreach Day. Package your analysis into a simple 1-page summary. Send it to 5 investors with this message. Hi, name. I've found a potential BMV property in area with an estimated 16% ROI. Would you like me to send you the full breakdown? Track who responds. Friday, follow-up and viewing day. Book viewings. Speak to agents. Take detailed photos and videos. The more viewings you attend, the better you get at spotting red flags and hidden opportunities. This is the question I get asked most. But I don't know any investors. Good. Neither did I when I started. Here's how you build that list. Method 1. Facebook group. Positioning. Join 5 UK property investing groups. Don't pitch, don't spam. For 2 weeks, just comment helpfully on other people's posts, share insights, answer questions. Then, post your first deal analysis with, "Found this in City. What do you think?" People will message you. Method 2. Property networking events. Go to one free event per month. Your goal isn't to pitch, it's to listen. Ask people what they're looking for. Write it down. Follow up the next day with, "Great to meet you. I'm actively sourcing in area. If I find something matching what you mentioned, can I send it your way?" Method 3. LinkedIn content strategy. Post one property analysis per week on LinkedIn. Write 150 words on why a deal works or doesn't. Use hashtags. After 4 posts, you'll start getting connection requests from investors. That's your list growing organically. Method 4. Local landlord Facebook pages. Search your town landlords on Facebook. Join the groups. These people already invest. They already know other investors. Build relationships here. When you send a deal to an investor, it needs to look professional. Not fancy, professional. Clear, complete, confident. The 7 essential pages. Page 1, cover page. Property address, main photo, your name and contact details. Page 2, executive summary, 3-sentence pitch. Purchase price, estimated value, strategy recommendation. Page 3, property details. Bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, tenure, council tax, EPC rating. Page 4, financial analysis, purchase price, refurb costs, total investment, monthly rent, monthly costs, net cash flow, ROI percentage. Page 5, comparable evidence. 3 sold properties showing market value. 3 rental listings showing achievable rent. Page 6, area analysis. Transport links, schools, amenities, tenant demographics, crime rating. Page 7, next steps. Your sourcing fee, viewing arrangements timeline, your contact details. Use Canva or Google Docs. Keep it simple. The numbers do the talking. So an investor replies, they're interested. Now what? This conversation determines whether you're taken seriously. The 5 questions they'll ask. Question 1. How did you find this? Be honest. It came up on Rightmove with 2 price reductions. I saw the potential immediately. Question 2. Why hasn't someone else bought it? It needs cosmetic work, which scares off most retail buyers, but the numbers work for the right investor. Question 3. Have you verified the rental figure? Yes. I've pulled 3 comparable rentals currently listed within 400 meters. They're all achieving £750 to £800 per calendar month. Question 4. What's your fee? Be clear. £3,000 upon successful completion. Only paid when you complete the purchase. Question 5. Can you arrange a viewing? Absolutely. I can coordinate with the agent and join you if that's helpful. Confidence comes from preparation. If you've done the analysis properly, these questions are easy. Before you take a single penny, make sure you're operating legally. The UK has clear rules for deal sources. 3 legal requirements. 1. Anti-money laundering registration with HMRC. Free to apply. Mandatory if you're facilitating property transactions. 2. ICO data protection registration. £40 per year. Required if you're storing investor or seller details. 3. Professional indemnity insurance. Optional, but recommended. Costs around £200 to £400 annually. Protects you if a deal goes wrong. Always use a written sourcing agreement. Never rely on verbal deals. Protect yourself legally from day one. So that's the complete beginner blueprint. No fluff, no hype. Just a proven system that works if you put in the effort. Your first deal might take 30 days. It might take 60. But when it lands, you'll have £3,000 in your account and proof that this model works. To make this easier, I've created a free deal sourcing action plan with checklists, templates, and the exact workflow we just covered. Grab it from the link in the description. And if you found this valuable, subscribe. We're building the most practical property sourcing channel on YouTube.